This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Juke. Its top features include a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. The following features are included: air conditioning, a push-button ignition, stability control, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Nissan of Union City is located at 4080 Jonesboro Road in Union City. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.